In this short video I'm going to show you how to make some rudimentary repairs. We get asked a lot how you repair small holes in your mesh trilliums and insect mesh and sometimes the floor fabric. So I'm just going to show you how to fix a small, that's kind of like a penny sized hole in a mesh trillium. So I've just got a standard needle, put some black thread through it. I'm going to pull it through so it's at the halfway point, and then tie a knot in the ends, so the ends come together. So put those ends together like that, put a knot in it, and then so before the hole I'm going to come through and in and out, and then I'm going to go through the two, so just to make a little knot so it can bite itself basically. Right, there you go. Now I can pull that out so it bites there, and then I'm going to try to stay between only good pieces of mesh holes. So I'm going to pull those together and then again come through a good hole and go to a good hole, and then as I pull the thread through it will close that damaged part. So slowly we're getting there, so we're going to go through there and out of there, and again pull it together, and again I'm going to take it to that one and to that one. Now I'm going to go backwards and forwards along this 3 times. So I've come this way and now I'm going to go back, and then I'll come back again just to give it a little bit of strength. And then where you've got the loop, just come backwards through the loop, pull it, make sure it's all tight, and then I'm going to just do a kind of sign off, which is you go through one of the most dense parts and then through itself again, creating a good knot. That'll be okay for another season. If you get to a point where your hole is this size, you've pretty much got no chance of repairing it. The only time this would happen is if you've left out your Trillium mesh in the sun for a couple of seasons and the mesh has degraded to a point where it's become brittle. Then you'll find that any point load, an elbow, possibly a knee, or if some kids are jumping on it, you know, their feet, they could break through a degraded Trillium mesh. So this is probably 3 or 4 years old. It's been up in the sun for a couple of seasons, or like 3 seasons, and there's no hope of saving this one. If it gets too much bigger than this, I would suggest you just cut this triangle bit of fabric out, leaving the 2 good ones, and make sure that nobody falls through this one again.